Hello, my name is Joe Black. I'm a master magician and stage hypnotist from Black Magic Entertainment. And we're here at the amazing Northwest University Theater. And we're going to teach you a coin trick for beginners. Now I'm going to take this coin, toss it up in the air a couple of times. Oh my goodness, I dropped the coin. Take the coin, give it a little rub, and it vanishes. How did I do that? Well, when you drop a coin, you're going to walk up to the coin. You're going to step right next to the coin and pick